Hello guys, here's a thermostat I'm about to install, but I want to show you some colors that you can remember. Red for red, 24 volts. Yellow is yellow, that's cool color. And then you got C for common, which is normally a blue or a brown. You got green, which is for a fan. And you got B or O, which is reversing valve, and usually the color orange. And then you have W, which is for white, and that's for heat. All right, here's the thermostat. What you do is just pop that back off. And I kind of love these thermostats, man. I'm not going to lie, because they have a little level here, which is very important in our line of work. It's kind of crazy because you really need that level right there when you're dealing with, how this thing sits on the wall. It's important because some customers will complain about that. But on the inside of that thermostat, you have R, G, Y, Y2, which you won't use most of the time. That OB I was telling you about. And then you have C for common and W for white. Always read your instructions, but as of now, you just kind of go color for color. Once you get this thing mounted on the wall, like I said, that level is like a pet peeve for me because a lot of customers complain. And even at your own house, you don't want a nice home and your picture is straight, but your level and thermostat is off. So once you get that thing wired, man, you put this cap back on, which is on the wall, and it kind of looks like that, man. So just giving you a little quick update. I'm gonna start posting more videos about how to wire thermostats and control boards and also zone systems. All right, peace.